Hello and welcome everyone. In today's episode of Inventory for You and Me, we are going to look at yet another stock counting method known as perpetual stocktaking. Perpetual stocktaking or continuous stocktaking is a process that basically allows one to set up an individual stock counting plan for each item in their possession. The idea is to have different stock counting frequencies for different items, wherein there are some items for which the stock taking will happen every day, while in the case of some others, this is done once every week or even once every month. Unlike periodic stock taking, wherein one is only concerned about verifying the correctness of recorded inventory values, perpetual stock taking enforces a need to maintain a record of all transactions in order to compare and validate your inventory levels during each cycle of the stock taking process. This method works best when you have a proper inventory management system that not only captures your stock flow, but is also integrated with your accounting platform. That concludes our session on perpetual stocktaking. Let's meet again on another video with a new topic. Until then, please stay safe and healthy. Cheers!